Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lena Chris. I'm a Nigerian creative fashion designer, and in this tutorial we're going to make a pin cushion. Okay, let's get to the work table and get started. Okay, so we'll be needing scrap fabric, any scrap fabric, many scrap fabrics. We'll be needing a glue gun, a pencil, then we'll be needing a pin and needle, threaded pin and needle. Then we'll need something your pin cushion would sit on, like this on your wrist. Then we'll need this to carve out the circle. Alright, so let's get started. I already carved out my circle. How I did that was I placed this rubber on the circle rubber on the fabric, then I traced it out and cut through. Okay, for reference purposes, the diameter of the circle is about 6 inches. Making a basking stitches is done this way. I use a contrast threaded needle so that you could see this. Okay, you give it so much space, then you go out just like this. Okay, then you go in and go out like this. Okay, when you are done with your basking stitches, okay, and you pull. All right, arrange it properly and continue pulling. Okay, now you make normal stitches around here just to tighten it. Be very careful so that you don't sew up your hands. When you sew, you pull. When you sew, you pull. Make it as tight as possible so that it won't open up and your scrap fabrics will start falling off. Okay, when you are done, you cut. Okay, tie this around here. Okay, pick up your band, measure around your wrist, whatever it gives you, you cut there. pick your glue gun and glue this together. So yeah, that is just how to make your rubber pin cushion. As you can see, it's sitting nicely on my wrist. You can put your pins there to protect them from getting missing. Alright, that's all about making a wrist pin cushion. Thank you.